On day 2, if I have taken any kind of trade manually from
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, we're back. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday, baby. What am I going to do all weekend if the market's closed? I don't know. But right now, getting ready here for market open. Overnight, what a move. What a fucking move overnight. 29,200 level down there to the 28,640s. Why can't it ever be that easy? I mean, if you think about it, basically at open yesterday to the close, we had 400 points, which, okay, that's a whole day of trading. But overnight tonight, we had 640 points to the downside. And that was just overnight. You gotta love it. You've got to love it, man. Looks like we're heading down there to take out these lows. Those lows are right there at 520, 550. So the overnight, we took out this low already. The next low is going to be 520 area. I would feel like this is kind of an area to bounce at today. But, well, we'll see. Anything is possible. Anything is possible, Chad. Anything. And I say that very lightly, because anything is possible. I still love the fact that that bear flag that we talked about on Wednesday, the power hour on Wednesday, we talked about this bear flag setup, and you see how beautiful that played out. That was over 1,000 points. Over 1,000 points on that bear flag setup, right? So, and that was all with the idea that we would probably retest this level here if we broke this level there and all that. So here we are, getting ready, market to open. It's time to party. Time to party. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The question now, though, is, well, do we continue lower? Do we chop around down here? We'll see. I thought you'd be in Mexico today. We went down to Mexico just for the day. We flew down to Mexico yesterday for lunch, basically. Flew down for lunch. Flew down for lunch yesterday. Give you a little recap. So basically, yesterday I left the stream and jumped in the helicopter, walked down to the airport right by my house here in Yucca. Jumped in the Warbucks helicopter. No big deal. Jumped in the Warbucks helicopter, flew down to Ensenada. This is down in Mexico, Ensenada. Took about an hour to get down there. Fly right over the border, fly right down into Mexico. So we flew down into Ensenada. Just like that, you know, just like that, little beauty. And then we came home, back to America. So this is a video back in America. Yeah, we're looking at a house down there, so. Warbucks, baby. Mexico. It's pretty epic, though. I mean, it's honestly such a cool thing. Like me and Landon, I was telling Landon how crazy it is, right? Like, we flew down to Mexico, basically went and ate lunch, looked at a house, flew back, all in the same day. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Ugh. Did you guys enjoy the Lucas and D Money show yesterday? Oh my god. Did you enjoy it? Anybody? Good time, bad time, okay time? You did a prank on Denny? What was the prank on Denny? I didn't even see it. Y'all pranked Denny? How y'all gonna do that? Poor Denny. We've got the Legends, right? The Legends tournament right now going down. We got 2 traders left. Looks like Deero Trades might be taking home the win. We've got this guy at the head-to-head battle right now. Today is the final and last day. 29,000. So he's currently up $4,000, I think. He's up 4,000. This guy's up 1,000. Will he make a comeback here? Whoever wins the tournament, whoever wins this tournament gets to go against me. It's going to be Patrick Wieland versus the winner of the tournament for $10,000. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh man, this market, huge move overnight. You know what that means? You know what that means? It'll be, I have a feeling it's going to be a choppy morning. Normally a big move overnight ends up being a choppy morning. So it was cool seeing Lucas get humbled. Damn, he got humbled? Was it like, did D Money beat him that bad? Did D Money beat Lucas that bad? Got humbled, the chat said. Oh man. It'll be kind of interesting to see here at open if we get some kind of pump or a dump straight down. Yeah, I saw that Lucas basically blew it in the first 5 minutes. I saw that. Nice prank on Denny last night. What do y'all? That was not me. I did not prank Denny last night. You're all talking about the text message? That was not me. Honestly. I think he's got another fan. It was not me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, Chad. It wasn't me. Oh. Getting ready here for market open, obviously. I'd say, well, I'd say the Bears have a lot of work to do here at open. I mean, the Bulls. Sorry, the Bulls. 15-minute chart right now, pulling back here. We got this low. We got that previous low down there as well. So the low the other day was, what was it? What's this low? Not, what is that? What the fuck? Yeah, the low is 520 down there. 520 is the low there on that move down back there in June. So can we get down there next? We're going to find out. $1 million question. What's the play at open? Sell, sell, sell. David said, good morning, PW. It's hard for me to find levels below 520. It's hard to find levels below 520. Yeah, I mean, honestly, below 28 520, there's really not much, right? Until 27 930 area, basically, is like the next level. Daily chart here. I'm like into here, I guess. So, what are the S1, S2 numbers? Those are pivot points. Pivot points for like smaller time frames here. 15-minute chart. You can see we got a pivot point right there. Below us, we got a pivot point all the way down there. 28,218 would be the next pivot point. We're currently at a pivot point. We got a pivot point to the upside there. We're below the VWAP. We're below the EMA. Overnight, it has been down, down, down. So, got to see if these bulls can make something happen here. But right now, I'd be interested to see at open if we do one of these. Maybe not all the way back up, but Deller 319. Gonna have to go ahead and put you in the VIP room, sir. He said, hopefully the market crashes and Trump gets impeached. We can't be having none of that, sir. Can't be having none of that liberal bullshit here. Sorry. Trump's your president. Just get over it. Just get over it, bro. Just, you know, just accept it. Kamala lost. She lost, man. Fair and square. It is what it is. Trust me. I had to live through the Biden years, okay? And I didn't cry about it all day. Okay? I didn't cry about Biden being fucking president. I mean, I talk shit about it, yeah, but I didn't cry about it, okay? So. There you go. It doesn't even matter who's president. You still got to get up and pay your taxes. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? Fucking A, man. You still got to wake up in the morning, still got to go to work, still got to pay your fucking taxes either. No matter, I mean, I've been alive for not that long now, but 37 years, almost 38 years. How many different presidents has there been? You know, how many presidents have we had in the last 38 years? Well, I don't really, honestly, I don't remember any president that made my life really any different. So, either way, it's work, work, work. Work, work, work. So the big news, I guess, from the overnight is the fact that Netflix, right? Netflix earnings was the big news last night. We got the ES moving down here as well. I want to look at the ES really quickly to see where we're at on the ES chart. Looks like the ES has a little bit more room. Quite the different chart here on the ES versus the Nasdaq, I would say, right? Very kind of different looking. This is the daily chart on the ES. This is the, this is the daily chart on the Nasdaq. And then this is the daily chart on the ES. So, very different looking chart right now, but we'll see. Kind of like the ES is still in that big range. The Nasdaq kind of lost that range and is moving down here now. So the next level, like I said, is 27,840. I highly doubt that we're going to get there today, because that would be like a big, huge move on a Friday. But I mean, anything's possible. I do feel like they're going to maybe chop it today. It would make sense that they kind of take out these lows and then try to push it back up there. So PW, when are you able to trade single stocks? It's very soon, right? But yeah, I don't know. I've not. Well, I've heard about it, but I haven't heard about the actual happening. Right now, Nvidia down 2.4%. Nvidia down to 201. Yesterday was trading at 207. So big move down here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Up or down? Up or down? What do you think? So market open here coming up real soon. Let's do a poll. If you guys have not already hit that like button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Let me know in the chat. What do you think? Up or down? Put some levels in there. What levels are you looking at? What levels are you looking at? What's an interesting spot? What would you want to trade here at open? Let me know. Don't just type in up or down. Let me see some levels. Let's see if we got any actual traders in the chat. We got any real traders in the chat? Let me see. Let me see what you got. 28,500. I like it. 28,560 low. 28,500. 25,000. Oh, that's for NDX. Uncle Bugatti, what's up? Getting into QQQ calls 3 weeks out. I like it. Back to 720 and then down. Got the VWAP we're talking about here. 28,823. All right, all right. Yesterday we did kind of sell off there at open, push right back up to the VWAP. Is that going to be a similar move today? Anything's possible. Right now, the chat, the poll. It's 57% for up, 43% down. What does that mean? We're going to find out. Take out the liquidity at 28,560 and then go down. Motherfucker, ain't we already... What? What? Grab liquidity down at 560 and then back up to 770. All right, I like it. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, let's do it. I'm trying to give away some free accounts today. I'm in a good mood. It's Friday, Freshcast Friday. Can we make something happen? Can we make something happen today? Remember, it's Friday. Don't overtrade, Uncle Bugatti said. Don't you worry about us, Uncle Bugatti. We like to party, okay? We like to party. All right. Well, I mean, at open, it does, you know, does feel like it would be very easy to kind of swipe this low, maybe hit that pivot point, and then rock it back up here. So... is there a date set for Lucas to start the London session? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Lucas. Good morning, good morning. We're going to dump to 27,100. Oh, my Lord. That's crazy talk. Crazy talk. Well, we got about 8 minutes here, 9 minutes until market opens right now. Obviously, it's down, but, you know. See what happens. When are you going to go back to Florida? You never know. Anytime, at any moment. You never know. Right now, Apex, $49. All-in costs, 50K, intraday trailing drawdown. Just say it, you know, if you're interested. There's an opportunity. There's an opportunity there. It's cheap. We're getting ready here either way. Market open sooner than later. It's time to party, baby. It is time to party. Would have been great to go short up there at the 740s, right? That would have been nice. All right, well, I mean, I feel like this scenario of swiping this low and popping right back up, you know, might be the move, so we'll see. Retest the lows and then the bounce. Yeah, that's, well, I just said that. This is that low, overnight low so far, 555, 553 area. So VWAP right now, 28,800 level. We could swipe this low, someone said, and then push back to the VWAP. I like it. 29,600, getting ready for market to open here. We got about 6 minutes here till market opens. 6 minutes, people. 6 minutes. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you are missing out. You are missing out. You're missing out. Little pop right back up. Ooh, look at that. You gotta love that. Look at that. Fucking A. Market's not even open yet. We're already doing some craziness. Market's already doing some crazy shit. 600 straight back up there, 40 points. So, you gotta love it. Market about to open here very soon. Let's see what happens at open. Back up there towards the VWAP now, 650 area. Will we get some buyers to step in there? Got about 3 minutes here, 3 minutes, 20 seconds till a market open. Is it a long or is it a short? I mean, yesterday I tried to get long and then it dumped straight down. So maybe that's the play. Maybe we get this pump and then we get the dump through the lows. Maybe that's the play. We'll see. Right now, it's a little bit of both. A little bit of both right now, huh? Good time to be patient either way, I think. Let this first 15 minutes kind of play out. We're gonna get a lot of range. I think we're gonna get some very large candles here at open. Get some very large candles here at open, so just keep that in mind, you know. I think pretty much the one level that we want to think about today or here at open is this low down here. I think it'll want to get tested at some point, get taken out, maybe right at open, maybe not, you know. So there it is, right back to 600 again. You gotta love it. It's gonna get wild and crazy today, guys, so be ready for anything, but be prepared. Be prepared here. We got about 2 minutes here till market opens. 2 minutes. Wild and crazy Friday. I agree. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna get crazy. Can they dump it straight to the lows? That's the question. Will they dump it straight down here or do they pop it back up? Right now, 28,600, kind of a key level. The overnight low down there, 28,550. So we'll see what happens here. One minute right now, looking very bearish, but I wouldn't be surprised if they just fucking go straight up here at open with some craziness. You never know. 40 seconds right now, bleeding out here below 600. The problem is you can't really trade the first move here at open either way. I think it's going to be a massive move here, but who knows what direction. So probably take out that low down there, looking like I'm going to be patient here either way. I don't think there's any reason to try to be a hero, right? We don't need to be a hero. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Be a hero or a zero real quick. Got the VWAP up there, 28,800. And there you go. Market is open. Straight up now. You gotta love it. They just yanked it up 40 points there at open. Right there to that pivot point. If they squeeze it up there, we'll see if it'll squeeze. A lot of volatility here. Like I said, just kind of being patient. Let this kind of play out. Either, you know, we get the pump or we get the dump here. No reason to be too greedy, I don't think. I don't think personally. So still pumping. You gotta love when they, like, that last candle looks so bearish and then right at open just goes straight up. Too many discounts today. Too many discounts on stocks this morning. Everybody's buy. That's what I always think about. Like, what, right at 9:30, everybody's just trying to buy. Like, how does that work? How does that work? You know, like what? There's just 1,000 people waiting for the market to open to open right there. Oh, the market's open. I'm getting long now. I'm getting long now. Market's open. You gotta love it. How does that even work? All right, still, like I said, just waiting here. Good time to be patient. Let this 5-minute candle play out. You know, this is kind of the same exact price action that we had the other day, right? Where market obviously just kind of fucking pumped and then dumped. And pumped and then dumped. Looking a little troublesome there. 650s now, holding it down. I like this pullback here. If this candle starts to really just sell, this might just be the shorts. Gotta see here. She's moving. Do you get aggressive here and try to short this? I don't know. Man, she's going though. Back down there to 600s. If we lose 600s, we should sell. I'm going to try this quick short, guys. Try to target right down there to the 60s. If we can get filled quickly here, I'll take that. Swipe those lows right now. We might get all the way down there to the 50s, but I'm going to look for this right here first. Move it down a little bit. There we go. Easy P. I mean, I didn't have the best entry, but at least I didn't try to get long up here at the fucking top like yesterday. So that's good news. Little $700 per account right there. From the 98s down there to the 62s for that break below 600. Fresh Cash Friday. W's in the chat. All right, we swiped the low now. So what happens? Are we going to continue dumping here? 540s now. Last time I joined the live stream, you're getting ready for a fishing tournament. We got second place. We won $75,000 fishing. So yeah, fishing tournament went good. Fuck, man. She might just bleed. All right, we took a short here, guys. 28,000. We broke the below 28,600. We got long right there. Not long, but we covered our short. So I'm interested to see, is this going to bounce back up now? So this is that low from the overnight. You can see right now we're kind of bouncing around here. Bouncing around here. It's holding here. I'm kind of tempted to try the longs, to be honest. I'm gonna try a quick long here. Stop is right there at that low. Oh man, I'll take that little pop right back up here if we can get it back up there to the 80s quickly. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move my stop break even. See if we can really milk this for even more points back up there towards the 600s now. Stop down. We got close. We tried. We had the right idea, I think. That could have just V'd all the way back up, so. Tried to play that kind of overnight low swipe, but luckily, like I said, got out there for break even. Someone said bad long. I mean, I wouldn't say it's a bad long by any means. I think the overnight low got swiped, and that was a play, right? We've seen that a lot of times. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? I wouldn't be surprised if this doesn't just pop up 100 points, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, I mean, just taking a trade, you know. Now maybe we swipe 500, then pop back up. Because again, remember guys, what we're looking at here, right? Look at this daily chart. We took out these daily lows, right? These daily lows, we're pulling back into this level. If we're gonna bounce, this is gonna be where we're gonna bounce at. I'm just being honest. I mean, obviously still moving down, but would I want to get short right here? Probably not. Not unless we get another pushback up. If we get a pushback up and we push back to 600, then we roll over, well, maybe then I'll try another short. But for now, I think just got to be kind of waiting for that pushback up here at some point. We can swipe 500s here and then push back up. I'm trying it one more time. 500 swipe there. I've done this before. You just keep trying to buy the dip, getting destroyed, but we'll see. Mm. 80s almost. All right, did not work. Now it's gonna push right back up, hit the 80s there. Did not work for now. Well, never mind, maybe it will work. 480 still holding up there. Still does low, low, low. It's a sell, sell, sell. Sell, sell, sell. ES, what's it doing? ES is kind of holding up. Nasdaq's doing something here. I feel like it's gonna try to bounce here. Is that, I mean, I know I'm just talking out loud, but I don't know. Back up there through the 500s now. It can go all the way to 28,000 today. I mean, maybe. Maybe it can, maybe it won't, maybe it'll just chop. Back up there to the 500s for now. I took that long again, but just got denied again right there at 500. I'm gonna give it a little bit of room, see if we can't get to the 520s there. I don't know, I don't like the shorts down here. I feel like there's more impulse to push back up, but
clearly, maybe not. Okay. We can break through 500. I don't see how we don't go 520s or more. Oh, just shy. Just shy there. Being shy. All right, I'm going to put this stop like right here and see if we can't get like back up to the 540s. Really maximize this trade maybe. Maybe. Or not. Fucking A. Stopped out there. I still, hey, I don't know. Yeah, I only use Trade of 8. It got rejected pretty hard there at 500, so maybe we go lower now. I took this short right here. See if we get down there to the 43s quickly. I like it. We got rejected hard there at the EMA. Took that short at the 67s down there to the 43s now. It's a bloodbath. It's a bloodbath. Hit the 420s, see if the market wants to get high now and try to pop back up here. Everything is bleeding out right now. Crypto's bleeding out. ES bleeding out. You gotta love it, man. All right, ES is starting to move back down again. That original entry short from the 598s right now, you'd be looking pretty good. Pretty good there, short. David's trading Uber on Warbucks. Let's go. Uber, Uber, Uber. Still chopping around kind of down here. Back up again. I took one more little scalp long right there. We're up $2,200. We got 5 of the Tradeify accounts. They got the 5-pack bundles going on right now. So we're up 2,200 there on the Tradeify accounts. And then we're also there. Where's that? We're locked out here on Lucid for now. So these are my Lucid accounts that we have been getting payouts from, and you can see here my Lucid dashboard. We did 600, 700, 490, 1,000, and then 1,000 again today. So we probably need one more day on Monday if we have another green day on Monday, and then we're good for a payout. So not a bad month of July so far. Trading these Lucid accounts. These are Lucid Pro accounts. Lucid has that deal right now, 40% off Lucid Pro accounts. No daily loss limit. So Look at this pump right now. I have not, somebody said they have problem. I have not had any problems this morning with Trade-of-8. Trade-of-8 seems to be working just fine. There's that fucking pop right back up. I knew there was 100 points coming off these lows down here. You could just tell there was. You could just tell. I'm gonna try another long right here quick. See if we can get like 20 points back up here. We just punched right through that, but uh-oh. Never mind. Terrible idea. And stopped out there. Wow. Wow. Wow, chat. Wow. I guess we're going lower first. Or just chop around first. Also possible. Yep, and right back up. Gotta love it. It's hard trading minis sometimes. You kind of want to play tighter stops, but then, well, the tighter stops don't always work in your favor. And then it pulls back, stops you out, and then goes right back up. So, such is life. Such is life here. And here we are, right back to the 480s again. You just never know when life's gonna punch you in the face, man. Look at that, right fucking back up, man. Come on. There's the 500 push. There's the 500 push. Why don't you enter on engulfings? Way better entries. I mean, okay. Trade-of-8 is not down. It's working just fine for me. I'm not having any issues over here. We're trading. We're trading. We're up $3,000 in these Tradeify accounts now. Aren't you a momentum trader? Why are you constantly picking bottoms? I mean, I think you can also be a momentum trader and pick the bottom sometimes, thinking that we're going to get a bounce. So, I mean, I don't know. Sometimes good, sometimes bad, I guess. We got our 15-minute range now set as well. So we'll see what happens here now. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's everybody. That's the thing too, right? Everybody wants to like classify themselves, you know, as a certain type of trader or whatever it is. But at the end of the day, I mean, you're gonna trade what you're gonna trade. You know, you can't really like. It is kind of what it is. So it is pushing back up here nicely right now. That's over 100 points off the lows, basically. I think if you get back above this candle high, I might not take it, but if you get a breakout through 520, we should go to the 560s. Right? There you go. Through 520 now. That's 10 points. Gonna go right to the 560s next. We had a little bull flag there. So a different point of view says, I haven't had one losing trade today. Waiting for engulfing candle as my entry. Very clean. Okay, well, what? You're waiting for engulfing candles. So are you long right now then? All right, W's in the chat there. I didn't take the trade, but like I said, through 520s, up there to the 550s again. That's 30 points. Hey, I want W's. D-Money gets W's constantly. D-Money gets W's every 5 seconds. He puts on a five-point trade, gets W's, okay? Where's my W's? Where's my W's? Where's my W's at, Chad? Where's my W? I want the W's. I want the W's. There we go. Now we're getting some W. www.winning. www.winning. Let's go. It's a www.winning. 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 You. All right, back to the trade. I mean, hey, like I said, right? Haters are going to hate, but players are going to play. I know everybody was talking shit about me trying to pick the bottom here, but I mean, that's 150 points off of the lows now. So I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but the bottom did play. The bottom did play there. So, you know, I don't know. I took a long right here at 412. It pushed all the way back up 550. We tried to take a long here at the 490s. Got stopped. Took another long there, but I mean, took a short there. I don't know. We tried. Doesn't always work out the first time, but sometimes it does. And everybody was talking so much shit this morning about, why are you trying to get long? What do you, Patrick? It's a short. Well, I mean, it's a short until it's not. You know? Because the way I look at it is like this, right? If I can risk 10 points for the possibility of 100 points, I'll take that trade 5 times, 10 times, right? Like, when you think about it, you know, like, if I can get long right here, get stopped out, break even, and try that a couple times with the idea that we're going to get 100 points back up, like, that's a trade, right? Like, that is a trade. So, I don't know. Look, that's almost 200 points now from this low. Wow. Active trader still long from 28,412. Still going. Fucking A, boys. That long earlier that we talked about here, 520s, that's over 100 points now. I need some more W's. If you got long for this breakout right there, look at that. Textbook V breakout here. That 520 push. I've already pretty much maxed out my consistency for the day here in these Tradeify accounts, so not really any reason to continue trading them. So I will just kind of lock these out for the day and be done. Shout out to Tradeivate. We got that manual lockout. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. It's nice too right now with the Tradeivate deal because you can actually lock out each account. So basically lock it, lock it, lock it, and lock it. We can lock them out there. So lock out the accounts. Boom, baby. We are locked out there. And the great thing is you can still trade other accounts. If you have evals to trade with this new feature on Tradeivate, you can lock out, you know, individual accounts, not the whole account. So we got her done. Look at that. 28,600 now. Wow. What a pump. What a pump. What a fucking pump, boys. That's crazy work. That's crazy work right now. That's some crazy work right now. What does locking out do? It stops me from trading anymore. Somebody just asked what's the point of locking out? The point is that way I don't keep trading anymore. I'm gonna keep trading. I got other accounts to trade. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. We locked out the Lucid accounts here as well. These are we're up $5,000 in these accounts. You can see my month right now for these accounts. My P&L for July looking pretty green. And like I said, I've been just kind of taking good trades and then locking out the accounts. and finding a lot better consistency doing that, right? Because it just takes the edge off. It's a weird feeling, right? The minute that you like lock out your accounts, it's honestly like a very weird, it's like you feel like very like relieved, because you know, like no matter what happens, no matter how much FOMO you get, no matter how, if you go, you know, like it's nice. Because honestly, in the past, a lot of times what I would do is I would trade, right? Like let's say I would make, you know, I would make $3,000 trading the Tradeify accounts, right? I'd make that profit. And then what I would do is I would go trade another account. I would go trade some more accounts, but then I would be red in these accounts. Like I would lose money. So then I would go back and I would start trading these accounts again to kind of feel like I'm making it back. And the nice thing is with the lockout feature, well, I can't do that. So it's nice. And especially because, you know, with the prop firms, you have the consistency rule, right? So there's no real like in these accounts, these are my consistency, right? I have a 51% consistency right now. So that means I need one more day to trade. But if I keep making money, it's just gonna make it harder for me to get a payout. And like I've said a million times, the goal of trading these prop firm accounts is not to have $1 million balance, right? The goal is to have a fucking payout. And why are you gonna make it harder on yourself? So look at this pump right now. Are you kidding me? I'm so mad. Look at, oh my God, 650s now. Where's the guy earlier? Hey, chat, where's the guy that said it was gonna go to 28,000? What happened to that guy? What happened to that guy? What happened to that guy? You know, where'd he go? Where'd that guy go? Where'd that guy go? Tanner said locking out changed his life. My life has been changed because of the lockout feature. Man, oh man, look at this pump right now, boys. What a pump, what a pump, what a pump. Straight back up here now. You gotta love it. It is always great to see. It's great to see. Well, the $1 million question now is, do we go straight through those highs? 700s maybe. Get the pump with the dump. Pump with the Trump. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. There she goes, 670s. The high so far of the 15-minute range is 686s. You would think that if we pop through there, we're going 700s next, right? We got the VWAP up here at 725. So will they break through that 15-minute range, open high? Or one big chop session, just holding inside the 15-minute range for the rest of the day. Also a possibility. You know what I mean? That's also a possibility. You never know. But watching this, we got to kind of get through that high there. What a pump, though. Look at that thing. The buyers came in there. They did not want that thing going lower. Got to get them puts. Got to protect them puts. It's a Friday, Fresh Cash Friday here. The ES is pumping back up here as well, 7,512. So the ES already broke out of the 15-minute range there. Nasdaq kind of lagging right now, but look at how strong the ES pushed out of here so far. So from 490 up there to the 514s. Will the Nasdaq continue? Oh, it will. It will up there to the 700 now. It's green. You can't hate on that. It's green. All right, so really what I want to do now is, wait for kind of a setup here. We had a big V back up. I still cannot believe, man, oh man. I fucking cooped it so hard there. That long, man, the long there was too much. The long off the 412s now up there, that's 300 points off the lows. Everybody was hating on me for trying to get long down there. Look at this thing. It's still going, still pumping. There's been no pullback yet. God damn, 750s now.
It's at VWAP. You gotta love it. Fucking A. That yellow circle, I drew it at open for the VWAP push, and well, we're at the VWAP. The VWAP obviously pulled back, but let's see if we go right to that yellow circle now. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. There it is. There it is. Man, that anybody get long at 520? We talked about this little bull flag there, 520s, right? Look at that. Oh my God. Why did I not? I couldn't get long because I was already up so much on the day, but oh my Lord. By the way, that's 200 points if you took that long at the 500s. That is amazing. Amazing. Shout out to all the haters out there that were mad at me for trying to get long down there. I don't know. This is how I look at it, right? If I look at it like this, the market did exactly what it wanted to do, right? I think if you look at the daily candle, what did it do? It took out these lows here. Now it's putting a wick in. It's pushing back up. That was my thought process, right? My thought process was daily chart. We're going to swipe these lows over here, break through that, and then we're going to get back up. So that's kind of just what I'm, that's kind of what I'm seeing sometimes. It doesn't always work out, obviously, but as you can see, look at this fucking pump. Are you kidding me? This is painful right now. Absolutely painful. It's still going higher, by the way. Just absolutely pumping to the fucking moon. Absolutely pumping to the goddamn moon. Shh. 800 is coming up. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. Only pump, pump, pump. What a crazy move. You got Nvidia all the way back up from 198 back up to 200 currently. Just kind of waiting for a setup here now, right? We gotta like give me some kind of setup. I need some kind of setup here, chat. Some kind of setup here. Patrick, the fear now is if you get in, it might dump on you. Yeah, that is the fear. So that's why we got to be patient. 15-minute candle, absolutely just straight back up there. I think it's a good time to be patient here. Let a bull flag build out, right? I mean, ideally, we could get a pullback, like maybe into this area would be nice. See what happens there. But absolute pump to the upside there. Absolute pump. What a move, what a move. What a move, what a move. What a move. It's a move, it's a move. Still pumping again. So they might not be done just yet. I mean, think about it. There's a lot of room to the upside here, honestly. Maybe like 820 area next. Maybe. Trying to make new highs right now already. Very little pullback there. ES is still ramping straight up here. A little bit of trouble here at 780s again, but 5-minute candle right now. Straight back up. Can we go at 820s there next?
There's the push, 800s. Crazy work. Crazy work, chat. NQ is rising like never before. You never seen this before? Nah, we've seen this. Oh, man. Hindsight's always 2020, right? Always 2020 on the hindsight here. Always 2020 on the hindsight. Trying to buy those lows down there would have, you know, woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, would, shoulda, woulda. Coulda, woodpecker, woodpeck, peck, wood. It's funny because, like, if you look at the ES, there's like just wick on top of the 5-minute candles as it was pushing up, but still showing a lot of strength there. We'll see if this is maybe going to be some resistance here now, but 800s needs to, they need to fucking hold 800 to squeeze, obviously. Because, like, how high can we go from here? I mean, fuck, I don't know. 28,900 next if it just keeps going? I would expect some kind of pullback, right? Market is off the fucking hook. It's on the hook. Or maybe it's off the hook, something like that. Very tiny pullbacks here. Very tiny pullbacks. So far. They're holding it right here at 800. Will they pump in another 20, 30 points to the upside here? This is also 50% of the opening range to the upside there. That number 1 that you're seeing on the chart, that's 50% of your opening range now. So a little bit of resistance there for now. Just refusing to go down again. So let's see what happens here. New candle just opened. Will they swipe that high of that candle and then pull back? Kind of give a little wick test. There's the 820s now. Still popping. Still popping. It's a popping. Dollar bills, yo. Dollar bills. Look at this thing. Oh my lord. 830s now. 830s now. Gap fill all the way back up for the gap fill. That'd be pretty cool. 840 still, dude. This thing is just going. There's 0 pullbacks here. Oh my lord. I gotta get. I'm sweating. I'm sweating in this shirt right now. Market's too crazy, chat. It's too crazy. I got, oh my god, 860s. Motherfuckers. Oh my god. Oh my God. I still cannot believe that's a 400-point move back up. It's a 400 fucking point move back up off those lows. All the people in the chat giving me so much shit this morning about trying to pick the bottom down here. Fucking A. All right, well, I mean, fuck. Need a pullback here, right? I mean, right? Maybe just a little pullback, right? Maybe. Why do you think that we were at the bottom? Like I said already, daily chart. We swipe these daily lows. I thought we would pretty much swipe these lows and then pop back up. That was my idea, right? Maybe it wasn't, maybe I didn't have the best entry, but that was my overall idea, that we would swipe these lows here on the daily chart and then pop back up there. So, I mean, you had a huge move down overnight, right? You think about it. It's hard to think that there's not going to be some buyers stepping in there. Say What says, it didn't swipe those lows on your daily chart. How can your daily chart look different than my daily chart? What are you talking about? Somebody in the chat said that their chart didn't swipe the lows. How is that possible? I mean, I'm just being honest. How is it possible that on your chart it didn't swipe the low? I'm just wondering, how is that it's literally, how is that possible? Like, I'm just being like an honest question. How is it possible that your chart didn't swipe the lows? Are you looking at the ES chart? You have TOS and TradingView daily chart and it didn't? What? How is that? That's impossible. What are you talking about? The low of this candle right here is 520. The market traded all the way down to 28,400. So how is it possible that it didn't swipe the lows? It's impossible. No matter what time frame, no matter what chart, no matter what broker. That is like mathematically impossible. Oh, unless you didn't have the contract changes. That's what it is. You got to adjust for the contract change. That's exactly what you did. You didn't do, yeah. You got to make sure you adjust for the contract change. That would be why. Sorry. I didn't even think about it, but yeah. That's why. All right, we're pulling back here. We're holding at the 800s. The $1 million question, can we go higher from here now? And how high can we go? They swiped the 800s here, right? 5-minute chart does not look too hot right now, though. We might need a pullback here, but that last 5-minute candle kind of looking a little troublesome. Look at that, swipe right back up. They are not done with it, I don't think. I don't know what they're doing. This is crazy work out here, chat. Crazy work up in this bitch. There's some crazy work up in this bitch. Truly some crazy work. Look at that, straight back up. Oh my Lord. You cannot make this up, even if you tried. All right, now good time to be patient. We'll probably chop around up here some. Your next level is 930 being that pivot point, and then there's not really much resistance till like 29,000s maybe, right? I mean, maybe. I mean, maybe. I mean, maybe. Maybe. Still pumping. Crazy, crazy. Up there to the 80s now. Still pumping. Pumping. The pump is real, boys. The pump is fucking real. Oh my lord. Pump is real, boys. Trying to figure out what to do here. What can I do here? What can I do here, chat? Oh, la, 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 la. Man, oh man, that would have, could have, yeah. I mean, could have, should have, would have, but that would have been fun to hold that long from the 400s. Wouldn't that have been fun? That would have been fun. That would have been really fun. Right now, it's just kind of like grinding up here. It's hard to get short. It's hard to get long. It's kind of just a crazy move here. I'm kind of watching for a possible long through the 900s maybe. I'm going to try this long through the 900s. Stop is basically tight right there at the 38s. And see if we can get through 900s. It just keeps going. Flirting with it. And trouble. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Probably gonna get stopped out here now. Alright. Stopped out there for now. It was trying to go. It kept I mean, well, here we go. Awesome. Fuck me. Are you kidding me? Always so much fun when that happens. Always so much fun when that happens. All right, we'll try one more long right here. We'll see if we get this pop. We gotta win. We gotta win it back. We gotta win it back. We gotta win it back, chat. Going for that 900 push. Oh, you motherfuckers. They're gonna do it again. Are they gonna pull back, stop me out again, and then go higher? Again. Again! Yeah, she's just not gonna go there now. Whatever. It's hard with these, you know, with this range sometimes. You just don't get, like, just tight. It's just very fucking tight sometimes, man. Look at look at this bullshit right now. Right back up Again, right back up. Are you... Like, what the fuck? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. It's not fair. All right. I mean, fuck me, dude. Are you... Is this gonna go, chat? Is it gonna go here? Is it gonna go or what? Like, again, right back up. I'm trying one more long here. It's gonna go right through the fucking 900s. Get it over with already. Get it over with. Oh man, not again. One more time, stopped out. 3 times in a row. 3 times in a row. That's not good. Good thing we're locked out. We're locked out here. We can't trade. We're locked out, chat. Everything's locked out right now. And yep, right back down again. Stopped out. You gotta love it. The problem is, like, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go short there and get stopped out? You're gonna go long there and get stopped out? You're just gonna get stopped out either fucking way. Ugh. 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 Starting to range, yeah. Might need to be a little bit more patient for the next move, but we're still in it for now. For now. There it goes. Come on. Give it all. We got to get through 900. We got to get it through here. We got to get it through here, chat. Come on. Someone said don't put a stop loss. Just let your take profit to get hit. Okay. Oh. Oh, God. Help me. Help me, Lord Jesus. I need something here. I need something here. I need something. Trying to go, but just stuck there for now. PW, you sound like Beetlejuice sometimes. Sometimes. What does Beetlejuice sound like? 930 is a stretch. Well, maybe. There's a pivot point right there at 936, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. 5-minute chart. Just stuck here now, right below 900. So we might need to pull back. Might need a little pullback here before going higher. Just doesn't want to go for now, so. It is what it is. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. That's kind of, I was looking at this pivot point here. I mean, there's not like much over here to the left. We took out these highs, which maybe we got to pull back, retest that area one more time before going higher. I don't know. It did swipe that high at the 85, so yeah. Such a beautiful move up, and then now the chop begins. You gotta love it. You gotta love it sometimes. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Just holding on for dear fucking life here, boys. Oh my God. Holding on for dear life. I'm gonna put my stop right below this candle low and then see if we can't just accelerate. Accelerate! It won't give up. I know. I see it. I wouldn't want to be short here, but maybe you should be short. I don't know. I feel like it could just boner fucking 50 points straight up. Possibly, maybe, I don't know. Or just stop right straight down, maybe. I'm gonna get stopped out now. God damn it. Yeah, we're getting stopped there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pulls back. Bounced right off my stop. What do you think about the Great Canyon in Colorado? What? The fuck? Someone in the chat just asked, what do you think about the Great Canyon in Colorado? What? What question is that? I'm in a trade right now. You want me to... I can't even think about the Great Canyon right now. What are you talking about? Oh, it's pretty grand. Oh. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. It's pretty grand. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see what you did. I do see what you did there. That's very, very funny. It's very funny how you said that. Yeah, very funny. All right, well, Nasdaq pulling back here, obviously, kind of running into some resistance up there, 820, 880 back to the 820s now. So, gonna have to just be patient, see how this plays out now. Got a new 5-minute candle opening right there. If maybe we can swipe these candle lows, right? Get a little swipe here of these lows and then pop it right back up. Maybe. Seems like back down. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Maybe. I mean, right now, I mean, the bulls are in control. The hourly chart looks very bullish. Had a huge wick on that last hourly candle. There's a possibility of going back to fill that gap. Who knows? Right? I mean, there's maybe, 29,000 and then the next level up there. It is Friday, so it is a Friday here. Which way do we go from here? Or maybe they wanted to seem this way so we get trapped in the shorts again. Wow, geniuses in the chat. Real Magic said that he tilted today. Fucking Fridays, man. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth, man? Nothing worse than tilting on a Friday. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, do me one big favor, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Currently, we've got 4,000 people watching. We got 4,000 people watching, got 800 likes here. Trying to make a little bit of money. So, let's see. All right, so that, like I said, that 5 minute, if we could maybe swipe this 780 area and then pop back up, that would be kind of the bullish move here. Or we just swipe these two candle lows, but we got these two lows here that look like they could get swiped too. Barefoot Greenback said, "You're the biggest and the largest, no homo." That sounds very homo. That sounds very homo the way you said that. The biggest and the largest. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, chat? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, there you got a shout out to DJC. He said he's passed 3 evals in the last 2 days. Got some pucker factor on using them. Have blown the last 4 funded I had the same day. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? Ain't that right? All right, here's that swipe, right? We're pulling back to the VWAP. Let's see what happens here now. Right back down to the VWAP again. So now, I think we kind of, if we could get a little lower here, and then we kind of like get maybe a pushback above 820s again, that might be the long setup to try to get up here. Maybe. That's a very big maybe, obviously, but that would be the idea, right? We swiped all these candle lows now on the 5 minute chart. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that we swiped there. The high of this candle now is 850. So 2 minute chart, basically like back above 820, we could go. Does anybody feel the same way? Maybe. Also, it's 10:30 right now, so we got about 26 minutes, 10:34, so 26 minutes until that going into that 10:50 to 11 o'clock spot. May you please explain ICT, sir? If you missed out, the other day I explained ICT very thoroughly. Right? I explain the ICT very thoroughly. Someone in the chat said that I look terrible. APAP says he looks awful. Skincare is important. I mean, I guarantee that I've had sex with hotter women than you have. So, I mean, you're worried about my skincare and I'm worried about getting laid. Okay? There's a big difference here, chat. There's a big difference here, all right? Somebody's clearly jerking off with their mommy's fucking moisturizer, and then somebody's actually getting some pussy. All right, there's that pushback above 820s here. Will the bulls answer? Will the bulls answer? I'm taking this long right here. The bulls are answering. I might go just for a quick little pop back up there, 850s. Oh, Patrick, you said it was oh, it went higher. Fuck me. Look at that bounce in the push. Bounce in the push. He looks tired. Guys, I'm not tired. I'm just like, God, I'm over here making money for you fucking faggots, and you are sitting here and you're like, his skincare, his hair, he looks tired. Like, are y'all here to make money, or are you here to suck my dick? Last time I checked, ain't nobody here sucking my dick in the chat, okay? So why the fuck you worried about how I look, right? We ain't trying to have sex. I ain't trying to have sex with you, you fucking weirdos. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to make money, okay? I'm trying to make money. From the 822s up there to the 849s. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to make money. W's in the chat only. W's in the chat only. Melly, I agree. Look, we got a woman in the chat, and even she don't understand why you men are concerned about my skin. You fucking faggots. Not everybody. Not everybody's gay in the chat. Most of the people are gay, but not everybody, okay? We got some women, and they're lesbians. We got some studs too. We got studs, we got lesbians, we got trannies, we got everything in the chat. The BDH is inclusive. People would be like, Patrick, you can't say retarded and gay on the internet. I said, why not? I got retarded gay people in my chat, okay? What can it's a fact. It's a fact. Hey chat, look, it's going higher. Did I not tell you it was gonna go? Did I not tell you? Did we not celebrate? Look at this push right now. The 5-minute chart playing out beautifully. The 820 push. Go ahead and tell me that I didn't tell you. Somebody go ahead and tell me that I didn't tell you. Is there anybody in the chat willing to tell me that I didn't tell you? I told you. I told you. I fucking told you. Nobody listens to me. Nobody listens to me. I told you, chat. I fucking told you. All right, so now the question is, do we ramp up out of here, right? Are we gonna ramp? Are we ramping today or what? You called that sweep of those 5-minute lows. Ooh, buddy, I'm gonna have to pin that one. I like that comment. This guy, hey, where'd that guy go? He said it. You called it. Oh. I'm a little hard right now thinking about that comment. I get a little excited when the comments give me some love, you know? I get a little excited. Oh, buddy boy. I gotta pin that one. I gotta pin that. I gotta pin that one. All right, we went all the way up there to those highs from earlier, 880s. This has got to go, right? It's breaking 900 today. Is it not going to break 900 today? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me that it's not? If you tell me that's not going to break 900, I'll bet you $1 million it will. Does anybody want to bet $1 million that we're going to break 28,900 here? Who wants to bet? Send me receipts. If you got $1 million, take the bet. You won't, you pussy. No one, where's all the Warren Buffetts at in the chat? Where's all the Warren Buffetts at? No Warren Buffetts? Where are the Warren Buffetts at? I want a Warren Buffett. I need a Warren Buffett, motherfucker. Can we use Tory as a bet? What? A human? You cannot bet with humans. You cannot bet with humans, chat. That is unethical. Oh my God, right up there so far. The high so far here, 98. Take me to the fucking pivot point, boys. Take me to the goddamn pivot point. You, Pat, are truly the best. Fuck everyone else. God damn. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom and relieve myself after all these compliments. I don't normally get compliments, so I mean, when I get a compliment, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take that one to the bank. I'm putting that one in the memory bank. I'm gonna wear that one on my sleeve. I'm gonna put that in my bio. He said, "You are truly the best. Fuck everyone else," and I said the same thing. It's Fresh Cash Friday. The best part is Landon and Victoria are sleeping right now, and I'm just in the house yelling out, "Fresh Cash Friday." Fresh Cash Friday. Fuck. Oh man, I'm funny. You gotta love it, chat. You have got to love it here. Oh my God, who took the bet? The $1 million bet. God damn it. Really, Nasdaq? You're gonna push all the way up there? 2 points below. The high was 94.75. I'm going to lose $1 million right now. Are you kidding me? I cannot believe I'm about to lose $1 million. This is some real bullshit. Some real bullshit right now. It's got to go, right? It's got to go. It's got to break 900, right? It's got to go. It's got to go. 29,000 maybe. Or it's just going to be an OPEX day and we're going to just stick here all day. God damn it. Also a possibility. That's possible. I'm not going to lie. It is very possible. As much as that sucks, it is a possibility. Going into, I think 10:50 to 11 o'clock is when that move's going to happen. Let's see. 10 o'clock, 10:50 to 11 o'clock. Closing that hourly candle here. 900 wants to go. Right? We still got about 17 minutes here. And back down, 850s again. Denied. The chop is real. The chop is real. Dude. Straight back down again. All right. You got to wait for 10:50, I think. 10:50, you got to wait a secret hour. Wow, the high of that candle was 96s. Just got denied. Right back down again. You got to love it. Went from easy mode to chop. I know. What a joke. Hey, I never said nothing about if it was gonna break 29,900 now or later. Okay, that was the bet was just 900 in general. Okay, I didn't say any time. It was not. I didn't put any time on it. No time limits. Still got time here. I don't owe you shit, Scott Baker. You owe me $5. Do. All right, Nasdaq just chopping here, right back down. Right back down. Done. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Time to be patient, Fawn John said. What if I don't want to be patient, Fawn John? I'm scared. Right back down there to the VWAP now. Yeah, the fucking chop. God damn it. Consolidating. Correcto mungo. Wouldn't it be funny if it dropped all the way back to 680 now? And then you had just 2 massive wicks there. Just to really make it fun, you know? Make it fun, you know? Just gotta make it more fun, basically. We're trying to make it fun as possible. I want it as fun as possible, please. Can we make it fun, please? Thank you very much, please. Nasdaq just chopping here. Right back up off the 800s again, though. Fucking A. The pump is real. The pump is fucking real, man. Chop, chop, chopping. Feeling choppy. Oh, so choppy. Good time to be patient. I think let's see what happens going into the, 10:50, 11 o'clock. I think if we get back above 850 area, this might be a good long setup to try to close out that hourly candle. Basically like through here, right? Possible, maybe. Maybe. Just gotta see. Gotta see what happens. Kind of waiting to see if we get this push here, right? Could we get a push here? Bottom of this range right now. Could kind of... I think either way, it's kind of like you need it back above all that. Above 850s. I don't know. Back to the VWAP, though. Kind of just stuck here now. You got... We're like right above the VWAP there. VWAP is like right there, so. Or we're gonna dump. We just play the opposite of what we think is gonna happen. VWAP down there at the 750s now. Opening range high is 680s. We're right above the VWAP now. Straight back up there. Straight back up there for now. I'm gonna if we get above 820, I would try a long. I mean, obviously we are kind of going lower here, so maybe short is the play. But I think if we get back above the wick, this candle wick, then it's a long. But right now having some trouble. So let's see. We're right there at the VWAP. We bounced off this level earlier, but maybe we go lower first. Got that hourly candle closing now coming up. It's going down to 650. All right. We'll see. We'll see. Possible. Anything's possible here. I mean, the only problem, like the problem with me getting short right here is that the VWAP's like right there, but it doesn't really mean much. Sometimes it just goes straight through there, but I gotta try to like not get short right into the VWAP. So we'll see. We'll see. Ugh. What setup are you looking for? A short? No. I'm looking for a long, but I think either way, you just gotta wait. You know, that's what we're gonna have to do here for now. For now, at least. For now. For now. See, there's that push again. Fuck, man, right off the VWAP. That's why I did not get short down there. So. See what happens when this hourly candle closes. We got 4 minutes here. got denied. I mean, still, like I said, basically back above this 5-minute candle high is what I'd be looking for along. It got absolutely rejected right there, straight back down. So just chopping right here. Lucas and D Money at 12 o'clock today. Yep, Eastern. 12 o'clock Eastern, Lucas and D Money coming up. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. Let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. We got to get at least 1,000. We got to get at least 1,000 likes. Share the stream. Let your people know what's up with the likes. What's up with the likes, chat? What's up with the likes? You don't like me? You guys don't like me? Watch them take it all the way back down. True that. Maybe. What do you guys think is going to happen here at 11? We're going higher or lower? Higher or lower? Let's get a little poll going. We'll see what the chat thinks. Up or down from here? Up or down from here? What do you think? Higher, 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 they said. All right, well, right now we've got 32% of the chat thinking that it's going to go up, 67% of the chat thinking it's going to go down. Well, you know what that means. You know what that means. 11 o'clock candle coming up here. Right now, just pulling back here. 15-minute candle, very red right now. We got the top of the 15-minute range here, 680 area. So, we'll see. Tanner Simmons, who won the head-to-head yesterday? I believe D Money did. I don't know what Lucas did. I don't no idea what he like. The first trade of them. Yeah, they both got cooked basically. I think they both lost money at the end of the day. Yeah. Let's go. We got Shaboden. PW's pre-market analysis could not have been more spot on. Printed on the open and going to lunch early. Thank you. Hey, thank you for tuning in. So, right now, just pulling back here. The hourly candle about to close. We'll see what happens. Look at the, oh my God. The wick, the battle is real. It's OPEX Friday. They love doing this shit. Just fucking chop this market up. Get all the options going crazy. So, gotta get all the, gotta get everything going crazy. Gotta make everything go crazy now. All right, well, we got one more hour here, chat. One more hour of PW, and then you get D Money and Lucas. But for now, let's see what happens. 5-minute chart, red, red, red. Back to the opening range high right now, 680 area. I'm interested to see how or what they're gonna do now, right? Trouble is a brewing. You got everything kind of just brewing to the downside here. Just a brewing. They're gonna break it below 700 here and try to move down again, back to that pivot point maybe. Someone in the chat said, let's see what happens now. They're long. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good. What whoa? What whoa? He's long, you said. That's not good. All right, so the poll is still, it's the majority of the people in the chat think we're going to go down, and a small majority think we're going to go up. So, you know, they say anything's possible. Anything is fucking possible. That last 5-minute candle looked very bearish. This candle right now is kind of already wicking back up. Let's see what happens. You got about 2.5 minutes left. I still think that, you know, basically if we get a 5-minute candle to kind of go ding, 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 we could go higher. But knowing that it is Friday, that it is OPEX, all the options and everything finishing out today, maybe they just kind of chop it for the rest of the day in this area here, right? In the middle of the range. Also a very big possibility. Bounced right off the top of the 15-minute range. It did. It did. Sean Mastro said, the Nasdaq 100 is all red. Why would it go up right now? I mean, Sean Mastro, the market is still red. If the market goes up, does not make it green. You know, like, I understand your theory there, but just because the market's red doesn't mean that, you know, it's going to go back to green. I'm just saying that it might go to here at least, you know. So I mean, it's the same idea that when the market's green, sometimes it pulls back. So, I don't know. Looking weak here, though. I get it. I'm not a perma bull or anything, but we'll see what happens at this 700 level. They're going to dump this down again. Holding up right there at the 700s for now. You got the Nvidia pulling back to the VWAP right now. You got Nasdaq obviously pulling back here as well. It's just like, it's weird though. It's kind of like it keeps chopping around. It's like chopping around here. I feel like whenever it starts chopping around at a level, that's a possible reversal kind of forming, but you know, you never know. You just never know sometimes, honestly. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Let's go. We got Dunzy in the chat. He said he just passed an eval and he's approved for his first ever payout. You gotta love that because of the BDH. Hey, we don't take all the credit around here. Maybe a little bit of the credit, but not all the credit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of the credit. It was all because of me, basically. I did it. It's all because of me. Damn, another amazing comment. I gotta pin this one now, guys. I'm loving these I'm loving these comments. All right, you want to give me compliments? I do love a good compliment. You know, I do love it. PW is actually the GOAT. Every day he streams for us. He prints while also giving us laughs and great entertainment. I mean, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, right now, Nasdaq just kind of moving on down here. Can we? I mean, I wouldn't. I keep thinking that it's going to V out of here. I don't know. I don't know, man. Pine Tree said, D-Money's timing out people. PW's pinning comments. This is true. We haven't really had any haters today. We haven't had any. Where are all the haters at? They were here earlier, but now they all gone. Now they're all gone now. Rejecting hard off the 9 EMA. Yeah, I see that. Back down, there we go. Making a move again, 680s. You got a pivot point right there, 640s. It's just kind of like chopping here. 2-minute chart right now, just chopping around here. Just chopping around there. This is what I think is going to happen. I don't know. Maybe not. I mean, basically at this point, what we'd want to see for a long is basically we get above 750, we get a retest of the VWAP, and then we go higher. That's my idea. Right? It might turn into a good short too, if the possibility that, like, let's say we push up here, get stuck at the VWAP, and then we go back down. But I think we're going to push back up here a little bit first. You know? Does anybody feel like that? Anybody? Does anybody feel that way? I feel that way. Straight up there on that candle right now. 5-minute candle high previously was 42 to get to. Oh my Lord, look at this chop right now. What in the world is going on, chat? What in the world is going on here? Yeah, they got to get it back above the VWAP. That's like the bulls have to show some strength here and try to get it back above VWAP would be the bull play here. Bull play. Bull play. We got the bull play coming in. That's a new live stream. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel called Bull Play. It's a bull play. It's a bull play. It's a bull playing. The bulls are playing, chat. The bulls are fucking playing right now. Denny got mad at me because I said he looks like a Lorax. Oh, hold on a second. I gotta look this up. You might be onto something there, chat. You might actually be onto something. Hold on a second. Oh my God. This is Denny. This is literally Denny. Denny is the Lorax. That's literally Denny right there. Come on, that is literally Denny, guys. Look at this guy. That is literally Denny. I need someone to make an AI photo, put Denny's face on the Lorax, and tag me on Twitter. First person who makes an AI photo of Denny with his face on the Lorax, I will give you a free account. Post it on Twitter, tag me, and I'll send you a free account. Let's see it. Who wants to be the first? Lorax. No mistake about it. There it is. Nasdaq right back down again. They're just chopping it around here like crazy. It looks like me. No, it does not. I'm not short and stubby. I am definitely not short and stubby, sir. All right, well, this is kind of doing what we said it might do, right? Build out that bear flag. It popped up there, got stuck at the VWAP. Could not get through the VWAP for now, so see if these sellers are going to come back in here and try to take it lower. Possibly. Maybe. Maybe not. I'd have to get through 700 here quickly. Now I'm just gonna chop city there and go straight back up. Just chopping around here right at the VWAP now. Absolutely chop fest. They're doing something. They're holding it up here right above 700s for now. Can't take it down. Can't take it up. Chop city. Pushed it back up. Just kind of stuck there. Motherfuckers. Motherfuckers. La, 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 la. Right back down again. The chop is real here. I don't know. I feel like maybe if I go short right here, it's going to pop straight back up. What do you think? Short right here, it pops straight back up? Possibly. Oh, my Lord. Which one is it? This one. Yeah. Playing hard to get. That's what it's doing. I'm gonna try this short right here, and now it's gonna go straight back up. We are stuck there, kind of rolling over. We'll see. Try to get down into this 660 area possibly. Not financial advice, chat. 5-minute chart looks very bearish, but it's kind of just chopping here. Right at 700s now. Anime Brothers, dude, we're in a trade right now. Relax. I'm gonna go to Twitter. All right, relax. I'm literally in a trade right now. Can you just let me trade? Will you? You're not gonna win an account either way. You just spam the chat and now you're banned. So, congratulations. You got my attention and then you got banned. Motherfuckers. Nvidia is kind of pushing back up here. Yeah. Shit is just gonna chop. Got 6 minis, yes. 6 minis short. 3 accounts. 1 mini per account. 2 minis total per account. Well, this is god awful. Yeah, this is not doing it. Ugh. It's testing the orb high. Yeah, no, I see it. Wow. 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 Motherfuckers. So gay. So gay. If the trade isn't going your way, do you ever get out early? Yeah. A lot of times. A lot of times we do. Obviously, this is not going our way right now, but I'm just gonna jump out right there. It just is not going our way. And there it goes, chops right back up. So good thing we got out when we did. You can see there, it's right back up. So I don't know. I mean, maybe if this 5-minute chart can clean up, I mean, I said the V is coming. I didn't stick to my own plan. I mean, I had 2 plans, right? If the VWAP turned into resistance, I thought that we could maybe sell down, which we ended up doing. Just, you know, there's the pop. So kind of is what it is. I wish I knew exactly where the market was going to go at all time. There's not really much else to do there sometimes. Just how it is. And look, see, right back down. So whatever. Whatever, man. And look, fucking A, right back down. God damn it. So stupid. Right back down. Motherfuckers. Literally, motherfuckers. It wants to go up. Yeah, it's trying, huh? Chop Chop City, feeling pretty, oh so pretty, in the Chop Chop City. Well, I think now we pretty much know that we got to get back above 750 here, right? That would be where the longs maybe step in or not. Maybe. Obviously, they can't take it lower, so I mean, I mean, can they take it higher is the question now. The ES is kind of looking interesting, right? The ES is trying to get back up. Nasdaq's trying to do something. Right there at the VWAP for now. Right there at the VWAP for now. So I'm still all right. Let me go look at this. I'm gonna look at Twitter and see who's got the thingies on Twitter. Oh man, that's pretty good. That one's pretty good too. That's definitely Denny. That does not look like Denny. Kind of looks like Denny. Damn, that one's pretty good too. That's Denny and the Lorax. Oh my God, chat. Bro. Oh man. Chat. This has got to be the winner. Is this the winner? That don't look like Denny. That don't look like Denny. That's terrible. Kind of looks like Denny. This is definitely Denny. That looks a lot like Denny. Lorax in the box. Nasdaq back down to the 680s. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, Denny. Oh man. All right, I think the winner has got to be this one though. This one's too good. Where's the one that I was looking at? This one. I mean, this is too good, chat. This is actually too good. That one's too good. This is my new background for Denny on my phone. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh man, Denny. Gotta love him. Well, as we are looking at the Denny photo, nothing happened. Market's still stuck here. The Nasdaq is kind of holding the 700 level. Let's go. We got someone in the chat said they just got 10 or 5 Apex accounts. 5 Apex accounts loaded up here, funded today. So congratulations to that guy. Right now Apex is running a deal. I'm gonna try this fucking long again. I know, it's just, I gotta try it again. It's like, I don't want to go down. We're probably just gonna get chopped up. These are evals, by the way, but we'll see what happens. Let's see if I get a little pop here. The wicks on the bottom of those candles right now. Look at this thing. Got wick. 10-minute chart. I mean, really, realistically, we just got to get back above this VWAP for the bulls, but it might take some time here. It's 11, going into the 11:30 here. Somebody asked, how do I stop from getting live accounts with the prop firms? Oh, I just blow up. I blow up enough times that they'll never put me into a live account. It's perfect. It's genius. It's genius, okay? Genius. The consolidation is real. Yeah, I think we might, if you're looking for a long, I would just wait for a breakout through the 750s possibly, but right now it's just, we're stuck here. I was like, maybe we'll go here, maybe, but no bueno, no bueno. No bueno. We'll see the real move after 11:35. Okay, I like that. ES is pushing, the Nvidia is holding up. If you look right here, hey, that's 20 points. You know, I'm just saying. That's still 20 points, okay? We got close. Why is trading a prop firm live account bad? It's not bad. I was just joking. Honestly, I'm not really. I was joking. PW, do you ever trade the 1137 candle? What? The 1137 candle, is that a thing? Try getting long at the orb high and then taking profit at the VWAP. Well, I mean, that's pretty much what we're doing right now. It is pushing. 750's there. Can I get some W's in the chat? We got any W's in the chat? I mean, I did make it. This is winning. Man, these other streamers be like, market goes up 5 points. They'd be like, W's, chats, W's. I want round of applause, chat, round of applause. I'm over here up fucking 50 points and I don't even say anything. Man, there are levels to this game, chat. There are levels to this game. All right, there are fucking levels to this game. Clearly. Clearly. Zoom in more. You zoom in more. Levels to this game, chat. Nice little trade there either way. Like I said. Straight there to the 780s now. Congratulations if you took that long above 750. That's 30 points, by the way. Right? That is 30 points if you got long for that breakout through the 750s. So Denny Lorax. Yeah, no, Denny's funny. I'm gonna be, dude. I don't know how. I can't stop laughing at this, dude. Fucking Denny. He looks fun. That's Denny. God damn it, that is funny. That's why I love Denny though, because Denny's just he's just a fucking character, man. Denny is a fucking character. I love Denny. Of all the people at the BDH, I think Denny's my favorite. My favorite to make fun of, at least, you know. Denny's cool. He's cool, man. We love Denny. We love Denny. Now, D-Money, on the other hand, that guy. Oh, man. Nasdaq pushing back up here to the VWAP. We got Lucas We got Lucas and we got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. So if you want to see more of that, well, tune in for it. Oh my God, the chop, man. This chop is unbearable right now. We had such a good move this morning, and look at it now. Welcome to the middle of the day, Friday, OPEX. The chop is fucking real. It's just so frustrating. That's the hardest thing about the Nasdaq, or just in trading in general, right? Is obviously you want to just keep on trading, right? You make money in the morning, you get excited, you're fired up, you want to make more money, and then what do? Right? You end up chopping, you end up getting chopped up here, blowing your account, you know, and then it's just like, fuck. You know? Fuck. So, shout out to David. David got 20 Apex accounts. He used that deal. PW code gets you $49 all-in cost on the 50Ks. Muhammad said buy position or sell position. I'd say this is a buy position. Let's go. Jay the Great, he's up $2,000 on 4 accounts. Now he got to go clock in 9 to 5. Hey, if that ain't a flex, I don't know what is, chat. Think about it, right? The guy made $4,000, $2,000, whatever it is, or $8,000, and now he's gonna go work, right? People always be like, Patrick, I'm gonna quit my job. I want to start day trade. I'm like, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You don't have to quit your goddamn job to trade, you psychopath. People be acting like they gotta trade 9 to 5. Oh, I need to be able to trade from 9 to 5. I'm like, no, you don't. You need to trade from like 9 to 10 and then shut the fuck up. You know what I mean? Amen, brother. Amen. Amen, brother. Amen, brother. Right now, the Nasdaq just stuck here. Can't go up, can't go down. I mean, or yeah, I guess you could get a job that you work and you can trade at the same time. That's also probably a good idea. I have seen the people online that are like, man, I was trading and then my boss called me and then I got stuck in the trade and I couldn't get out of the trade. So there's some work hazard as well. There's a couple of work hazards that are involved with, you know, trading at work. It gets a little hazardous sometimes. We got Marcus Smith. He said he's a UPS driver and he trades at the same time. How do you do that? You're delivering mail and trading at the same time. Talk about insider trading. Talk about insider trading over there. Guys delivering the mail and making the trades. Raymond said he trades in the office with his door shut. Everybody at his work's like, hey, what's Raymond doing? Hey, why does Raymond always have his door shut? Raymond's he's in there working all day with his door shut. And I hear him screaming and yelling and crying. What is he doing in there all day? What's Raymond doing in the fucking, in his office with his door shut, yelling and screaming? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Well, Nasdaq just absolutely chopping here. Just absolutely fucking chopping. You gotta love it sometimes. Donald said, no wonder my mail's always jacked up. The guy's trading while fucking delivering your mail, bro. You know, he's busy. He's busy, man. Oh, there we go. Tanner's a VP of operations. He trades from 9:45 till 10:30. He's got multiple revenue streams. Also, he's off on Fridays and Mondays. That's a pretty good schedule for being a trader. What kind of, I mean, you don't have to like say exactly, but what kind of industry do you work in, Tanner? That's a pretty good trader schedule. Being able to trade from 9:45 to 10:30 and then having Mondays and Fridays off. We got a couple UPS drivers. Dude, what's up with these UPS drivers? We're popular between the UPS drivers. Property management consulting. All right. I like that. Scott Baker, you want to go double or nothing on the million? Let's go double or nothing, Scott Baker. Double or nothing. It's cool to, I mean, it's pretty cool to see just all the different people and how they trade, why they trade, where they trade, how they trade. You know, think about it. There's thousands and thousands of traders out there. We're starting to push again. There's that 800 push. I'm telling you, 900 wants to get touched. 900 wants to get touched. Can we get there, though? The $1 million question now. Can you get there? It popped it through 800. This would be the perfect spot to dump it back down, right? Like they're doing right now, kind of. Let's see. Little pop, little drop, little drop, little pop. We're getting fucking some moves here, though. It is moving. It is moving here. The $1 million question, though. Can it move all the way? 900s. Come on, I got a $1 million bet going right now. Me and Scott Baker. I just put 2 million on it. I need 900s, boys. I need 900s. I'm such a degenerate that I'm betting $1 million that the market's gonna break through 900 here today, okay? I didn't say exactly what time, I just said today, okay? Today. Today it's gotta go. I mean, I do want to point out one thing, right? I do want to point out one thing here. We talked about what happening, right? All seriousness, right? All seriousness, chat. Can we talk about one thing that did happen? I know everybody always wants to hate on me and say that I have no idea what I'm doing, but I think if you're still watching the stream right now, you got to be honest, right? You got to be honest, chat. What did I say? Right? I said over 750. We get back above this VWAP. The longs are coming in, right? I mean, like I said, haters are gonna hate, but let's be honest. This is the play, right? I mean, hey, I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but this was the play. Okay? Maybe I'm tooting my own horn. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Still going higher here. Oh my lord. I really fucked up today, by the way. I fucked up big time today. Y'all, I don't even want to... It's really awkward to even talk about because I fucked up so big. So I was resetting one of my evals, right? And it had the two finishing numbers was 23. And I went to the Take Profit Trader dashboard, and for some reason I clicked on the wrong account. It was a pro account, and I ended up fucking deleting the pro account that was up $10,000. So, yeah. That's awkward. Yeah. So I literally deleted a $10,000 profit. Can I call somebody? No. Fucked, man. Absolutely fucked. Why are you able to do that? So basically, like if you, well, fuck. I can show you on the dashboard so you guys never do this. Make sure you're very careful if you reset accounts, right? Just, I'll be honest. Just make sure you're careful. Because I'll just be honest with you. So basically what happened is, so if you go on like Take Profit Trader, right? This is like the dashboard on Take Profit Trader. I was already here at the pro accounts, and basically it was this account right here, this 23, and I fucking clicked on it and that was dumb. Yeah, that was dumb. I didn't even trade on it, to be honest. I'm gonna maybe see if I can ask the customer service. Yeah, that was dumb. But whatever. Either way, I'm happy to at least pretty much be up $30,000 in those new pro accounts. So they're gonna move me into the Pro Plus account, the live trading account. We're up. These are my Lucid accounts. I'll show you guys my Lucid accounts right now while we wait for this market to kind of figure out where it's gonna go. So with Lucid, with the pro accounts, I don't want to, don't tell anybody, but top secretly, you want to say something top secret? I think right now, honestly, I think Lucid, the pro accounts are goated, right? Don't tell AJ, don't tell Lucid, but like, I'm going to be honest with you. These accounts are too good to be true right now. Like, I'd be surprised if they don't change the rules very soon. Honestly, like, they're too good, because this is why the Lucid accounts are so good, right? This is why they're so good. So I passed the pro account, right, on Monday of July 6th. I passed the pro account. I then activated the account. I then made $4,000 the same exact day that I passed the account, right? I passed the account, made $4,000 the very same day. So literally, I made $4,000, $3,000. I got a payout. So 3 days. 3 days. I bought the eval on Monday, passed the account, then I got a payout on Wednesday. Right? Like that, honestly, it's fucking crazy. I told AJ, I'm like, I don't know what y'all are doing, but this account right now is too crazy. Right? Like, it's crazy. And then I just got another payout. So I had the payout last week, a payout this week, and then today another $1,000. So yesterday $1,000, today $1,000. These accounts are goated right now. Absolutely goated. So shout out to fucking Lucid. I don't know how long you're gonna last, to be honest. Do you have to build a buffer on those pro accounts? I don't know exactly, to be honest. But this is my P&L curve. Obviously, this is because I took a payout. This is because I took a payout there. So, oh my God, Denny. It's Denny. I saw Denny again. But yeah, I got my payouts approved, $3,500. So for the month of July, let's just think about this again, right? For the month of July here, the month of July, I've gotten $30,000 in payouts, right? And I was only in the eval for 1 day. You know? So, pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. $30,000 in payouts in 1 month of July. How much did I spend? $200,000, okay? Relax. It's not about the math, okay? It's not about the math. It's about the numbers, all right? We don't do the math. We do the numbers here, all right? I might have spent $200,000, but I made $30,000, okay? How much are your costs versus payouts? I think I spent $1 million this year on accounts. I've made about $30,000 on accounts. I don't know. So. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I kind of want to try these. I might try another long here in these take profit trader evals. Get a little full like. I'm gonna take one long here. We got about 15 minutes here. Can we get a pump out of here? Maybe. I like to get another long down here, possibly even. We got D-Money, we got Denny, D-Money, and we got Lucas. I almost called Lucas Denny. We got Lucas and we got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock today, 12 Eastern. So, shout out to the boys back on the East Coast holding it down. You got D-Money, you got Lucas coming up here in 13 minutes. They're going to be streaming all afternoon. Little pullback here. I mean, the 5-minute chart is setting up. I mean, I think we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go, chat. I'm long and I'm strong. Not just long, but I am strong. Okay. I gotta get a water real quick. Oh God. Oh God, I'm just broke. God damn it didn't go up. It did not go up. Why not? Why not? Denny, you gotta change. Denny, change your thumbnail. Denny, he's in the chat. Denny, change your thumbnail. You gotta change your thumbnail. Change it to the Lorax photo that I posted. Please. Just for the chat. Come on. Do it for us. Denny. Denny. Change your thumbnail picture. Denny, you can't just have a D for your thumbnail there, bro. Come on, Denny. Can we get one more banger trade here before I hand it off to D-Money? Is it possible? Is it possible? I think so. I think so. One more banger trade here. Come on. Oh, we're up 10 points. PW, you're the best. I'm watching from what the fuck? Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Where in the fuck is Uzbekistan at? What the Uzbekistan? I never even. Where the fuck is Uzbekistan? What are you talking about? We got the high up there from earlier, right below 900. That's what I'm liking. We'll see. You never know. Look at that. Denny got a new profile picture. That looks great, Denny. That's a good look. You look way cooler now. Denny looks way cooler now. He's got that little profile picture. Nasdaq just chopping around right here, man. Come on, do something. Do something, Nasdaq. Do something already. Do something here, Nasdaq. We are up big, big, big today. Up big, big, big today, chat. We like it. We love it. We want more of it. I tried so hard. I can't find it all. All right, there's almost 20 points. Hey, I can't be perfect, chat. I can't be perfect, but I'll try to be, okay? I can't be perfect, but I'll try to be. I'll try to be perfect. Someone said that I was gonna be the liquidity. Bro. I still don't understand the hate, man. Like, I get it, right? Like, if I'm in a trade, right, and people be like, you're gonna lose, but I'm just like, why? You know, why do you want to wish that upon somebody? I'm being honest. Like, why would somebody want to, like, you know, like, why do you want to see me lose? Like, what is it about that? You know, like, what you come to this live stream, you're like, haha, you're gonna lose. It's just like, I'm a human being, man. You're a human being, you know? Like, what are we doing here? Right? I don't get it, you know? Like, why are we not like, I would be like, if I, you know, like, I'd be like, damn, Patrick, that's a good trade. You know, you got a good plan. That's cool. You know? Like, why are we not excited for each other? I'm trying to see y'all winning. You know, I want to see the chat buying fucking helicopters. You know, I want the chat to buy a helicopter. I want the chat to get payouts. I want the chat to buy a fucking helicopter and fly around with me and just get in your helicopter and fly down to Mexico. That's what I want to see. You know, I want to see us winning together, chat. Why can't we win together? I don't get it. I don't understand the hate. The hate sometimes. Right? Like, why we got so much hate up in this world? We gotta be friends again. We're up $5,000 in the Lucid accounts, right? Bang, 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 bang. We are up $3,000 in the Tradeify accounts, and we are up $30,000 in the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I'm pretty happy with that. That's how you do it, boys. That is how you fucking do Fresh Cash Friday. And people be like, Patrick, D-Money's better than you. Shut the fuck up. I love D-Money, I do. But I will whoop D-Money's ass in trading all day, every day. Right? You can say whatever you want. Oh, D-Money, he's more responsible. D-Money, he's more patient. That motherfucker ain't doing no $30,000 days. All right? Call Jerome. Call Jerome and ask him. Guys, do I not get points? Where are my W's at? Where are my W's at? His win rate might be higher. I don't think so. I don't think D-Money's win rate is higher than mine at all. At all. There's zero chance that D-Money's win rate is higher than mine. Zero chance. Zero chance. Okay? Zero. Thank you very much. Come again. That is from the 16s up there to the 83s. Like I said, 900 was gonna go. 900 was gonna go. 900 was gonna go. I mean, what do you want me to say, people? What do you want me to say? Yes, PW shows all the losses and the wins. All right, I can't help it. I show you guys the losses, I show you the wins. Right? You can hate me, but you cannot deny me. You can hate me, but you cannot fucking deny me, boys. Where are we at? Where are we at? 28,900! Who brought up D-Money? Just be happy he's a good trader and it works for you. Ski Bum, I brought him up. Welcome to the fucking championship, motherfucker. This is the NBA. This is locker room talk. We're not a bunch of faggots. We're not a bunch of gay guys sitting here talking about fucking kumbaya. I want D-Money to know. I want D-Money to know that he better be careful. He better be fucking careful. Because I'm here, and I'm winning. And he better be winning too, because if he ain't, he gotta go. This is a big show. This ain't no charity. This ain't no nonprofit. This ain't no fucking learning center. This ain't no fucking learning center. It's called Eat or Be Killed. It's called Eat or Be Killed. If you're not eating, then you're gonna get killed. Welcome to the motherfucking tribe. Guys, that's 100 points, by the way. The long from the 816s now, it's 917. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Who wants to give me my $1 million? Hey, where did Scott Baker go? Where did fucking Scott go? There was a guy earlier who said he wanted to double down on the 900 break. Where did he go? I gotta find him in the chat. Where did he go? God damn it. God damn it, where did he go? God, where'd that motherfucker go? Where'd he go? He said he was ready to double down. Look at him, I knew it. Scott Baker, give me my $2 million, you motherfucker. Where's my $2 million at? I just told you. 28,900. Why all the hate on D-Money? Every one of y'all just want to hate on him. He's a good lad. Seems like he's the star of the show. He's the star of the show? What are you talking about? I'm the fucking star of the show. I'm Michael Jordan. He's Pippen. D-Money's Pippen. I'm Michael Jordan. What are you talking about? Guys, I made $2 million today. $2 million today. $2 million today. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Ain't nobody doing it like this. Hey, fuck D-Money, all right? I'm gonna fly back to Florida right now. I'll be there in 2 hours. It'd take me 4 hours in the jet. All right, I'll fly back to the BDH. I'm gonna whoop that D-Money's ass live on YouTube. Nah, again, guys, it's just, I believe in, I don't know. I think for everybody who works for me, right? Like I'm gonna be hard, right? Because I put out, right? I put out. I show up. I put it on. So I need everybody, Denny, Lucas. Well, he don't work for me yet, but everybody gotta put it on, right? We ain't here just to exist, right? It ain't just fucking turn on the stream and just exist, right? That's what this ain't about. The BDH is different. We don't just do the bare minimum. We don't just clock in. This ain't no 9-to-5 fucking job. This is a life. This is a pursuit of happiness. This is a mindset, boys. So again, yeah, I'm always gonna be hard on D-Money. I'm always gonna be hard on him because I want him to be better. I want us all to be better. I want us all to win. I want D-Money to make so much goddamn fucking money, right? I want us all to win. And there you go. Where are we at, Nasdaq? 28,950. 28,950. 28,950. Sean says, PW, do you verify your traders to make sure they're profitable before hiring? Just curious what the vetting process is. Well, to be honest, what we do is we get the measuring stick out, right? We pull out the measuring stick. As long as they've got more than 3 inches, we're good. It's the whole vetting process, I would say, is non-existent in the sense that, like, if D-Money could have made $100,000 last year trading, right? He could have, but that doesn't mean he's gonna make $100,000 this year. It's fugazi, you know what I mean? It's there's more to it, there's a lot more to it than just being like, oh, I made $100,000 last year. There's a lot more to it, for sure. So there it is. I'm happy with that. I still am very, very butthurt that I somehow deleted $10,000 in profit today. I don't know how I did that, but absolutely insane. Absolutely fucking insane. We made $5,000 in Lucid. We made $3,000 in Tradeify. And that's it. It's fucking Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys have not already hit that like button and subscribe button, you know what to do. We got D-Money. We got Lucas coming up here real soon. Why did I delete the account? It was a mistake. I was trying to reset an eval, and I just pressed the wrong account, basically. Very, very fucking retarded, trust me. Yeah, now it's retarded. So, there it is. I'll see you guys next week. We're doing it live every day. BDH, we got big stuff coming. There's a reason that we're #1, right? There's a reason we get the most viewers daily. There's a reason we get the most everything. It ain't just, we don't just claim it. We fucking do it, chat. We trade live. We show you guys the entries, the exits. We show you what we're doing. We're looking at the chart. We're breaking it down. Like I said, all I said, guys, you can believe me all you want. You don't believe me. It was simple. Back above the VWAP, we're going higher. Where did we go? We got back above the VWAP, and then we went higher, right to my target, right there at that pivot point. And everybody said, but Patrick, you don't know, Patrick, you don't know, Patrick. Patrick, you don't know. You don't know, Patrick, you don't know how to do it. Patrick, shit. So, as a tribute to my mentor, I got a song.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused, insane. Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed. And I sat there, pushed. And I fucking laid pushed. And I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cunt.
Yes. Pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cunt. I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys. Can you take me higher? I got this.
So much power.
Don't worry, guys. I know exactly how to make the market go winner, chicken dinner. It's hard to day trade. It's easy to sell a course. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're not making money when you're sleeping, you're not making money. Winner, chicken dinner. Literally, my girlfriend makes more money than ICT does trading. Think about that. That's fucking funny. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy. Big drop down. Move my stop. Big drop down. Big drop down, daddy.
Fucking pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cunt.
Pushed.
Yes.
Pushed. I sat there, pushed.
Going down hard.
Pushed.
Oh my god.
Pushed.
Little cunt. The vertigo, man. 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 The vertigo. Imagine if I told you that literally all you had to do to make millions of dollars is just post up online to get people to hate you, and then you can make money. Don't be telling people the secret.